The glass is not in perfect shape. It is not too bad. A few spots here in the corner, I don't know if you see right here. But though it deserves some cleaning, it deserves some little bit of restoring. See the back side of it. Little knob right here, or the little adjuster position for the day-night vision is very faded as well. Doesn't look nice. So I'm gonna take it apart and do a quick restoration on it. And to do so, very simple. You have a little cap right here. Just pop that out. It's not a very good fit, but just take that apart. You have one screw that is attached to those two ball studs going to the rear view mirror. And you can find some kits to replace the lens as well. But we're not at that point yet, but I will look into it because it's not perfect, and if you want to fully restore it, it needs to be done. So let's remove that screw. Don't forget, once you take it apart, you have an electrical cable right here going on it. I need to remove it, unplug it, take it apart, and then clean it, restore it, and go from there. So you see it's latched on the back and then pulled up with, of course, the bolster inside. Push up and then the screws is in. Remove the screw, or that's it's not folding. It's still hanging. Then you remove that from the latch. You have the little bracket that I can remove from the ball stud, the first ball stud. I'm going to restore that, even if it's hidden. I'd rather restore it. And then you have the electrical connection right here. Connect it further. So you can see when it is removed, it's very dirty. Need to find out how I remove that electrical connection. It's a specific attachment, and then clean that and give it a new life. So just to keep it stuck, I carefully removed the label that was positioned right here, and before it was completely dry, the paint, I just placed back the label and hopefully it will stay in place. The rest looks pretty good. I lube the 2 ball stub and the little connection just to make sure it's not too dry, because I cleaned it before and it should work very well. So I just need to put 1 screw and we're up and running. Here we are. Looks pretty nice. And the little label did hold. I left that overnight. Clean that. Clean behind on the glass as well, the hard to reach area. Okay, so first I need to put back that little bracket that I just repainted. It looks actually pretty good. You'll never see it. But the little cap, actually the rubber cap that goes over it, is not fitting very well, and it fits up to here approximately. So the rest of the bracket, you see that since it's a black interior, that painted it black will kind of hide itself a little bit better. So just going to put the bracket. Here we go. I got the screw. Okay, let's put that back together. Here we go, nice shot. That's okay. So put that around the ball stud, clip it. Here we go. It's a very easy fit. Put the screw. We go, and then you have to tuck that wire at the back. Move that little cap and put those 2 flaps inside. So it's a little bit weird the way it is fit, but you have to press that in, and you see the little gap I was talking about right here. And now you just need to adjust. And here we go. Nice and neat. I just need to clean the window, but just need to clean the mirror. But overall it's looking pretty nice. Here we go. So see you guys in the next video.